tattoos is up. Lost too many soldiers, not to play it safe. If he walk around with that stick, it ain't Andre DK. Think I won't drop the location.
I go by ma'am. You're assuming my gender. I'll cancel you.
Nigga, it's just big me, nigga. Bum.
So I got dared to pull that fire alarm right there, and I'm about to do it. So I'm just trying to let you know.
Yeah, but don't do it because it's gonna be really loud.
But they dared me. They triple dog dared me.
No, like.
They triple dog dared me. I'm gonna do it.
No, don't do it.
I'm gonna do it. They're triple dog daring me.
Again, so you don't have to do what they are doing.
But they triple dog dared me. You were the one that triple dog dared me to pull the alarm.
I was? Oh.
I got triple dog dared to pull the alarm. Did you never get triple dog dared?
To what?
To pull the fire alarm. I'm gonna pull it. I'm letting you know I'm gonna pull it.
Yeah.
Do you guys want my social security number?
No, we don't need that. It's just that we need actually, we're daring you not to do it.
I'm gonna do it. I know it'd be pretty sick if I pulled the alarm, right?
If you what?
If I pulled the alarm, that'd be pretty sick, right?
No, please don't do it.
That'd be sick though.
No, don't do it.
Come on, bro.
I promise. Don't do it, please.
Why did nothing happen?
They're on their way.
Yes, you can.
Are you filming me? Why are you filming, sir? No filming in the library. Get out of here.
So I guess that you guys are gonna make.
He's filming it. This is a private property. No filming on private property. Get out.
If you continue to film it.
Yes, sir.
I'm asking you not to film me.
I'm asking you not to film me either.
No, this is.
Sir, get out. Out. Now.
So I'm gonna give them an eviction notice.
You're getting evicted.
Can I have your ID, please?
You're getting evicted. Get out of here. Out. Can I take it off? Hold on.
I'm calling the police.
Wait, can you actually help me take this off? Please?
Don't press it, please. They charge. The fire department is helping other people with problems. He did?
Wait, why nothing happened?
He did it. Call the manager, please.
Wee you. Pooh Shiesty, that's my dog. But Pooh, you know I'm really shiesty. I can just turn it back up, right?
I don't know because I've never touched it. You know what it is?
Oh, you need the key, I think. Yeah, let's get the key. We can get this figured out. Misunderstanding.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not going to jail for pulling the alarm.
No, you're not.
But I need to get arrested for a thumbnail.
Not here. You're not gonna get arrested here.
They're not gonna detain me and say, get on the ground. Ma'am, can I take this home? I can't take it home? Okay, goodbye. I'll go purchase it at the front desk. I don't know, I don't think they take me serious, bro. I look too young or something, bro. They know. Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
How do you say, how's your day in Spanish? All right, you guys have a nice day.
You have a nice day too. No, you guys are not allowed to record. This is private property. Have a nice day, sir.
All right, little bro. All right, have a good day. I appreciate you. Target's that important for you?
No, I could.
I go by ma'am. You're assuming my gender. Please, I'll cancel you. I think you started. All right, let's hear some shit, bro. Come on. What song is this?
Music, Soul Child, Just Friends.
Everyone go subscribe to him. Guitar Man on YouTube.
Like, subscribe, all that good stuff.
Yes, sir. Did you fall for me? Did you break your leg falling for me? All right, so I think the library's up here. Excuse me, can I pull that fire alarm that's right there? If someone triple dog dared me though. I was just making sure I said nothing about pulling the fire alarm. What will it do? And be like,
Don't do it. We're gonna have to call the police.
can I talk to them?
Would you like to speak to him?
Yeah. I'm gonna pull it. Why did nothing happen? Just gonna wait here until this is back up. Not Michael B's fire alarm.
Bad boys, what you gonna do? Or what you gonna do when they come for you?
Hey, you trying to be in my thumbnail? You wanna be in my thumbnail? Alright guys, this guy's a friendly, nice guy. He's gonna be in my thumbnail. What a good guy.
Alright, so what's going on, guys?
You wanna be in my thumbnail? Oh, I just asked if you wanted to be in my thumbnail.
Alright, so are you guys UM students?
Huh?
Are you UM students? 402, I'm in front of Gusman Hall with the two individuals. Where did you get that from?
My cousin gave it to me for my birthday. because I like to collect old fire alarms, because it's like that's like my habit. Like, you know, people collect like Legos, so I just collect these and I like showing them to people because it's like my hobby. I just collect these because this is like my hobby.
I'm in front of Gusman Hall with the 2 individuals. All right, man. So are you guys UM students? Hey, excuse me, sir.
We're not.
Hey, my man.
We're not. He's not.
You have any ID? You got any ID, man? All right, listen.
Are we being detained?
For y'all to come over here.
Are we being
This is
detained right now?
private property.
Oh, there's more people.
Yeah. I got a report you was in one of the UM buildings.
Actually, no building on campus is public. It's private property. So nothing's public here. What?
This is mine.
Question.
Okay, that's
I brought this. It's literally, I collect fire alarms. Like, I don't know. It's like, I vlog and I collect fire alarms.
How do you collect?
Because I buy these on Amazon. It was $10. Like, you can buy these. They're fake. I think, I literally just think they're cool.
Okay, are you guys aware this is private property? You just can't, you know, go around here and go in buildings, in and out of buildings and stuff like that. Because that's why we got called, because you guys was in the building. Because you pulling this prank with this fake fire alarm that you got.
Pretty cool.
So you bringing this attention to yourself.
I don't.
How old are you?
Huh? Doesn't matter. Okay.
Yes, it does matter. How old are you?
From Minnesota?
Yes, sir.
422, okay.
It happened again, y'all. Cops got us,
Alright, this is how we vlog it from now on, honestly. I'm vlogging like this now. My filmer's cooked. Shout out to the cop. Cop cool. Hold on, chat.
Damn, you got a live chat going too?
Nah, I just say chat. Chat's spamming W cop right now.
Oh, okay.
What do you gotta say to chat? They're spamming W cop.
Hey, man, I don't have nothing to say, bro.
Hey, they say keep doing your thing, my boy. Keep grinding. Keep shining. That's what they say.
Hey, what's your YouTube channel?
AKA Trav. At AKA Trav.
How many subscribers you got?
100.
100?
It just started.
Oh, you just started?
Just started.
So you not monetized yet?
Nah.
I like the Timberwolves, man.
Really?
Yeah,
They kind of going crazy right now.
Yeah, I like Ant-Man. That boy's nice, man.
Edwards, he's different. He's a new Michael Jordan, for real.
Yeah, he got a nice game.
Hey vlog, today we're at the University of Miami getting trespass warning.
Trespass warning, not officially.
So y'all drove, y'all got it. Oh yeah, guys, we gotta take pictures of you guys for the trespass.
You take your hat off?
My hair is, you're gonna have to show the chat my hair.
I mean, I got black girl here and I don't mind.
Miles, do you go to school?
No, I'm not in school. Free us!
For the B-roll. Hey.
Free us! Free Demetrius!
Free your boy Trav, chat.
I'm really like that, and your best work is a light pack, nigga. Prince outlived Mike Jack, nigga. Boom! For all your dogs getting buried, that's a K with all these nines. He gon' see Pet Cemetery, nigga. Boom!